My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
It's cracking YouTube. It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneaker here. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do you a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below, and it'll be right there, right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so it's been a while since I've done a sneaker review. I can't remember the last sneaker I actually did a review on. I just have not been picking up. Usually I keep track of, not usually, I do keep track of my spending on shoes month by month to month basis. It is August the 30th. No, it's the 30th or the 31st? What's that? 30th?
30.
I think it's the 30th.
Yeah, it's 30.
Yeah. So it's August the 30th right now, meaning it's the end of the month. One more day. I went to go add up my total because I know I'm not going to buy nothing tomorrow. I'm on my way to Miami. I might buy something in Miami. We don't know. We're going to see. But as of right now, this is my last pickup, even though I did not purchase this in the month of August. But the point I was trying to make was, I keep track of my spending basis on shoes, and I did my total for August, and I only spent less than $500, like $457. That's how you can tell I'm not buying shoes the way I used to. So I passed on a lot of shoes, like the purple and black 12s, those women 4s, the frozen moments. Yes, I passed on them. I passed on a lot of shoes, whatever like that. And I'm just because I'm not really, I'm over it. I did it. I've been there, done that. So now I'm only buying shoes that I want. I gotta turn classic phone down because this phone's real loud.
It's alright. I forgot to turn it off.
Okay, we good. You good. Alright, so let me get this back. I'm not turning this off. Okay. There we go.
You don't know how to turn off a phone.
Hey, it is what it is. Alright, so without further ado, like I said, I purchased this like maybe a month ago, maybe 2 months ago. I can't remember. I got the information on the phone that class is recording with. But dealt with this brand before. I am a fan of the brand. I have a lot of, I think I did a review for every single shoe I got from them. So let's get straight into it. See the box? This blood red box right here. See that smiley face right there? See it? This is a very cool box. Nice premium material for the box. It reads thumbs up high. Thumbs up is their logo, well, one of their logos, because you got the smiley face plus the smiley face on the thumbs up. Thumbs up high, Chi-Town, varsity red, black, sale, Muslim, size 8.5. The suggested retail price. I bought these with it, so very cool brand. They offer pre-order. So if you pre-order it, which their windows be open limited time, if you pre-order it, I think the normal price is like $180. It goes down to like $160 or something like that. It's $20 off, whatever like that. But I'll take it. You know, saving money is saving money. So, classic. If you don't pay attention to the video, you keep on looking at it. I know he's eating a straw. He's okay. Yeah, all right, size 8.5. So you know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. All right, boom. Very cool box. As y'all see my very cool reviews before, they just started adding this. Got a whole bunch of stuff. I really don't want to read it, so I'll read the first line. You are exactly where you need to be. I'm gonna let y'all do this. I'm gonna do this. Y'all can pause it right there so y'all can see all that. I'm gonna count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, I did not want to read that. I have read all of this in like previous videos. I'm not doing it today. Like I said, I am going to Miami. I have a flight tonight at 9. It is 5 o'clock now. I want to eat. I want to relax a little bit. So, I'm not rushing this, but I kind of want to get this done. But anyway, all right, always come with the cards. That is how the shoe's going to look, basically. Like that. And it comes with a thank you card, as always. Shot it very cool. On the back, very cool. You are already that what you want to be. Your refusal to believe it is the only reason you do not see it. So, I like that. And tag them, whatever, like that. They do repost you. So shout out to very cool brand for that. Presentation is always good. I like that they always come with a dust bag, but this is like a silk type dust bag. I like that. And it says very cool on it. Definitely like this dust bag right there. Like that. As always, it comes with 2 extra sets of laces. We got this sail lace right here and got that little blood red right there, plus the laces that come already in the shoe. So nice touches like that. Little wrapping paper, very cool like that. And without further ado, ooh, okay, we got the very cool brand Thumbs Up High Chi-Town. Boom. All right, like I said, a very cool brand, Thumbs Up High, Chi-Town, so Chicago's or whatever like that. I know right off bat, y'all all gonna be hating on this shoe, like y'all do a lot of my reviews of the very cool brand. Cause like, oh, they're ripping off the Chicago ones. Okay, so what? I'm not gonna say ripping off, but I mean, it is what it is. If you want to see you ripping off, cool, whatever. I like it. I mean, I like it. I like it. It is a complete, basically duplicate of Air Jordan 1 High Chicago's, but without the, I mean, with the twist of the thumbs up right there and the very cool that marking right there. So I mean, I like it. I still like it. Like, I feel like if you're wearing these from a distance and someone, first of all, never buy a shoe to duplicate another shoe. And what I mean by that is, if you can't get the Chicago's, just be happy with not getting the Chicago's. Don't go say, hey, well, this is, I don't look at having this as oh, I ain't get the Chicago, so I'm going to use this substitution or whatever like that. If y'all see Chewy popping the camera, that's because he's right here by Classic. Ain't trying to get to my food, that's why. Chewy, get down. Come on. Get down. There we go. Alright, so buy the shoe because you like the shoe. I like Very Cool brand. I think they make very good shoes. The material is always premium. I like the box. They easy to get in contact with. They actually follow me on Instagram. I do not get paid for none of this stuff. I'm not sponsored by them, even though I wish I was. But it's just a good small brand or whatever like that. I like them. I respect them for their hustle. Do their shoes look similar to other shoes? Of course. But so what? So what? Like, so what? I could buy Chicago's if I want to. But why would I want to buy a $1,900 shoe when I can just wear something that's equally, if not better? Like, I know y'all probably like, oh, it's not better because that's Jordan versus a no-name brand. They do have a name. Very cool. And I think it's a very cool shoe, no pun intended. But anyway, enough rambling. White leather toe box. Got that white plush tongue right there. It says Very Cool right there in red. That nice leather ankle collar right there in black. Got the thumbs up right there on the side panels, on both, with leather white side panels right there. Come with black laces. Got that varsity red going around the shoe all the way. On the inside, it says Very Cool. Again, you have the logo, the Very Cool right there. At the top, got that off-white sail color midsole going all the way around. I like that. I like that. And you got the outer sole, Very Cool right there on the bottom. And the outer sole is red right there. I mean, I like the shoe. I like the shoe. I do not have any Chicago's. I have... That's the black toes. Yeah, I don't have Chicago. I don't think I ever had Chicago's. The closest thing I got to Chicago's is the Spider-Mans. And they're not even that close. But like that. I mean, they look like them, but that's the closest I got to Chicago's. Not really a fan of Jordan 1 highs. I know y'all probably like, well, you got these highs. But I just like the brand. Like, every time they put out a shoe, I want to buy it. So I got 2 more shoes on the way. They did some Tiffany's. They kind of play off the Tiffany Air Force that dropped. They did a whole bunch, man. Go check out my channel. I have a lot of videos from Very Cool brand, but I mean, I like it. It's a dope shoe. But I like that. Class, we ain't do this in a while. 1 to 10, what are you giving it?
7.
7. So I mean, you like it. What you like about it? The red.
Yeah, I like everything.
Okay.
I mean, like, I don't like the red, but the red is fine. And
you don't like the red, but the red's not a turn off.
Yeah.
It's like I don't like it, but it's not it's not like ill like that.
Yeah.
I get you. That makes sense.
They probably should add a little bit more black.
Okay.
And I think that's all.
Okay, that's a good little review right there. I give it 7.5. I give it 7.5. I'm with classic. I'm not really a fan of red. Y'all know why at home. Y'all been watching me, but I don't have a problem with red. I don't like. It's a clean shoe. I think it's easy to match with the outfit. You can put a fit with this real easy. I know this is gonna be crazy. It's gonna sound shocking, but I don't have any shoe that's similar to this besides my Spider-Man's. So it's always good for me. I mean, I have shoes with this color blocking, but not of this model. Like, I don't have any Jordan 1s like this. So like, and I actually, in this color blocking, I'm looking around, maybe 3 shoes that's like this. We got the Carmines, we got the 4s, and the Fire Red 4s and the Fire Red 3s. Oh, I'm sorry, and we got the Fire Red 5s. But other than that, no. So, I mean, it's always good to add another shoe to my collection that's going to help me wear a different type of fit. Same color blocking, yes, but it gives a different look because this is a high top. So, all in all, good shoe. No issue with it. But I'm going to get up out of here because, like I said, I want to eat. I want to relax before my trip. So, y'all know what to do, man. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite Sneakerhead, represent Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.